There is one question that I get a lot, and that is, how do I make a good impression at work and, of course, in life? And today's article addresses many tips on actions that you can take immediately to make sure that you're making that impression that you want. And one is to set an intention for it. And that's right, you can immediately change something if you choose, or bring it to your awareness. And I want you to think about it this way as well. Making a good impression really is about self-interest, and you choose to make a good first impression because of how it makes you feel on the inside. Don't forget to read today's article because there are a lot of tips here, and enjoy, and we can help you in any way. Please let us know, and we're also always available for business etiquette training for your business. Take care, and don't forget to read the article. I'm Lisa Ritchie, founder of the American Academy of Etiquette.